Namaskar. Belly fat is a common problem faced by many people, and it can be stubborn and challenging to get rid of. But there is hope. By following a few tips, you can get rid of your belly fat much faster and achieve a healthy body. Let's discuss 3 effective ways to reduce belly fat. These are regular exercise, improved metabolism, and a recipe for burning away extra belly fat. First, exercise regularly. Exercise is the most important factor when it comes to removing belly fat. Brisk walking for 30 minutes every day can help you burn calories and reduce fat. In addition to walking, practicing yoga asanas such as Konasana 3, Ushtrasan, Dhanurvakrasan, and Pada Uttanasan can help target belly fat and reduce your waist zone. Another exercise you can try is drawing the letters of alphabet such as A, B, C, D with your legs in the air. This targets your lower abdominal muscles and strengthens them. Second, improve your metabolism. Improving your metabolism is another very important factor to reduce fat. You can do this by being active throughout the day, such as getting up from your seat every half an hour, taking the stairs instead of elevator, and doing some light stretches. Just don't be seated for a long time at one place. Keep moving. These activities can help increase your metabolic rate and burn calories even if you are not working out. Third, try this belly fat burning drink. Another effective way to reduce belly fat is by consuming a belly fat burning drink. I will give you a recipe for one such drink. It is made with apple cider vinegar, chia seeds, mint leaves, ginger juice, and water. Take apple cider vinegar 1 teaspoon, chia seeds soaked 1 tablespoon, mint leaves few, ginger 1 tablespoon juice, water 1 glass. Understand how to make it. Add all these ingredients to 1 glass of water, mix well and enjoy. It's best to consume this drink on an empty stomach or as a mid-morning snack to help boost your metabolism and aid in digestion. The apple cider vinegar is a drink which helps to reduce belly fat by increasing the feeling of fullness, which leads to reduced calorie intake. Yes, reducing belly fat can be challenging, but it is possible with a right mindset and consistent effort. So try regular exercise, improving your metabolism, and this belly fat burning drink to thin your belly fat and achieve a healthier body. Namaskar.